There's Jason. Yep, just fueling and greasing and etc. We have this L3. We have that L3. We have that case. And then around the corner is another L3. And then my dad is bringing another L3. Alright. It is now 11:45 a.m.
What day is this, Corbin? Chandler.
It's Sunday, July 2nd. Please state your name.
Todd Jansen, third oldest of Gary Jansen and Laylee Jansen.
What is your occupation for today?
I'm not sure yet. Right now I'm driving a Gleaner L3, and I may be driving a truck. I don't know. I'm waiting for my second oldest brother Troy to tell me exactly what we're doing. We may be fixing another header, try to get a fourth machine going. That's all I know.
Alrighty. So how familiar are you with these L3s?
Well, not very. Let's just to be blunt about it, not very. It's kind of like driving a car, though. You just kind of keep it in between the margins and let the machine do the work, right?
Yep.
How am I doing?
You're doing good. How many times have you driven this?
None.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's kind of like mowing. You just got to kind of have to keep that edge of the mower right on the edge of the grass.
Uh-oh, you're leaving some heads.
Well, I did that on purpose.
Okay, yeah, you might want to go down. So how is the wheat crop looking this year?
It's too soon to tell, Chandler.
What's your outlook? What do you assume how it will turn out?
Why don't you just say what you want to say? It's not going to be like it was last year. That was a once-in-a-lifetime crop. We're hoping to, I don't know, get 30 bushel. I don't know, really.
And who's in that red one right there?
Oh, that's Jason. He kind of runs the show. He's like the LeBron James of custom cutting, if you will.
Can you hold the combine steady?
Yeah, I'm trying.
What about who's in that other L3?
That's the boss. That's my second oldest brother, Troy.
Yeah, that's my dad. And the grain cart we have Tim, I think is his nickname. That truck's stuck, isn't it, Dad? Isn't it? That's why he's here, huh? Field number 5. Just finished field number 4. We just got the truck unstuck, so that's good. Draven and Jason in the combines. Tim in the grain cart. It's 4:57 p.m. Still July 2nd, Sunday. I think something's wrong with my machine. Alright, it's about 12 something a.m. Still the same day. Grain cart, we're trying to beat the storm. 1208.
It's been a great year, you know. Kind of tired, ready to get home and take a shower. But
yep.
Loving it.
The camera won't really focus, but you can see flashes of light. Just now leaving, it is that time. We thought we better head out because the wheat was being mean, and there's a storm brewing. It doesn't look good. It might go west of us, or it might not, but we'll see tomorrow. Either cutting tomorrow or we're not. July 3rd, Monday, day something. It's 10:50 a.m. Just went into town to get a grease gun. Yesterday we got rained out. We did not though. I don't know why I said that. I don't even think it rained here. It all went east of us. It's going pretty good. I had to change machines because a crank broke on mine, but we're gonna get that fixed up real quick. Draven and I might switch machines because I have his old one now. His header pump stopped working. We're gonna get that fixed up real quick so we can put that header on the other L, and then we're gonna get the crank on the other L, and we're gonna have all 4 or 5 machines running. 45. We have 45 machines, and we only need 2 more to have 45, so we should be done with harvest pretty soon. That field, and it's 5:22 p.m. It's still July 3rd, Monday, 2017 wheat harvest, and I'm almost tired of this. See that? That's wheat, and there's infinite of it. Song. We're on field number something, and it's July 5th, 12:49 p.m.
What's that?
So Draven threw up a little bit.
I think it's when the Troy's trying to help with the grain cart. That's what he said.
Tis now 6:34 p.m. on a Wednesday. Same day I already ate. I think we all did. Sorry, there's something on the lens. Look at this family of L's. And then there's the big guy coming up behind me. Just finished. It's 7:53 p.m. Moving to a new field. Here's my dad. There's Jason. How do you feel this wheat harvest is going?
You know, it's pretty great. It's not a bad deal. This is pretty bad. But you guys do this all day? Like, I don't know.
Wow.
I guess you would think a lot about life in here. You could do your homework in here, couldn't you?
All right. It's 1:40 p.m., 1:45 p.m., July 7th, Friday. I just got back from Hayes, Kansas, for a engine dampener. So now guess what I'm doing? Take a wild guess. If you guessed cutting wheat, you're correct. We are currently cutting wheat. It's still 2017 wheat harvest. We're moving right along. There's Todd. Another one. DJ Johnny. Yeah. All we do is cut, no matter what. This is what I'm talking about. This is music. It's 8:20 p.m. Still the same day as the previous vlog, if I posted that. But look, I feel like an outcast. All the L family is over there. Case, Jason is over there. And then I'm, look, they're all in a line. It's kind of cute. Oh man, I see it. I don't know if you saw it, but there was a lot in the sky, the air. Right there, and over there, and over there. It's surrounding us, but I think it's splitting up. But we're ending because Jason's reel broke on the case. It's 10:16 p.m. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, leave a like, and comment. It's 8:51 a.m. July 9th, 2017 wheat harvest, and finished 2 fields yesterday. It's going grand still. We lost Todd. It's a shame. He died. We lost Ralph and Timmy. Also deceased, but that's okay. I mean, you can't, it's harvest time. 5:25 p.m. July 9th. We got wheat right here and right there, and there's Draven McRae, and there's Troy Jansen in front of him. I taped my mirror because it wasn't staying in place. I just wanted to see my auger. And if you look closely, you can see another combine behind me, and that is Stacy Dominguez. I think my dad's header is plugged in a little area or something, because this. I warned him and he wasn't responding, so. And then Jason is somewhere about to lap us, probably. For some reason, his is better. Look at that harvest moon. Sure does look pretty. There's only like, why is it squashed? This is how much we got left on this. It is Monday, 10:11 a.m., July 10th. And it's just one of those days when you know it could be your last. Harvest is coming to an end very soon. There's the moon again. Alright, we're here with my bro Jason Winderland.
Cheers.
This is his last day on Earth. How was Hell Week? Weeks?
It wasn't bad, man. I enjoyed working with you guys. If it wasn't for the breakdowns, it'd been pretty cool. But you know, that's how it goes sometimes.
Yep.
Just gotta power through it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes, like every day. That's how it goes every day. Should be used to it by now.
Just finished whatever field we're on, and I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. Look at this meeting of L's. It's like when you're in this, there are a bunch of insects. It's Wednesday, July 12th, 12. 19 p.m. We're moving to our last field. Theoretically, this is our last day. But I'm not saying that. There goes Eduardo. Sponsor. Draven, Corbin Jansen's on the combine. We're all Jansens. Draven Jansen's on the combine. Corbin Jansen's on the combine. Stacy Jansen's on the combine. I am on a combine. I'm Jansen. Dad Jansen. It's thrilling. Stacy always cuts out. Look how much she's not cutting. Nice. Full rainbow all the way. Also, this is funny. I mean, Stacy. Yeah, we're dumping just in case it starts raining because it did sprinkle and started getting harder, not hotter. And yeah, so we're gonna dump just in case and then wait out the storm. That's bad right there. I was like, wow, I think a spring broke off, so it just like clogged up instantly. You know what the funniest thing is? All day, I think. I've laughed at that every time I've seen that. I've laughed so hard. I look over. Because look at the smoke spewing out of the top. That one's always been like that. But and it's also Stacy. Rookie, first year. Yep, rained out. Last day, probably last quarter of the field done. Left. Sorry. Is that hail?
I don't think.
Is that hail, Stacy?
No.
Ooh, that was lightning. And then snow. Something's white.
I think that's.
And then it's just sunny. It's like sunny. So Corbin, Jansen, what are we doing now that we're back out in the field?
Well, we have some barley here that we need to cut. This is just my third day here on the farm. We have some clouds rolling in and some cows rolling in. And we're just trying to get out of the way before that gets here. As you can tell, we're in quite the hurry. It's about, 2 o'clock. I'm Chandler's brother. I'm trying to stay hydrated, work on bulking up for the beach season this fall.
Can you flex?
I am.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. In the words of Nickelback, are we having fun yet? We're locked out.
Uh-oh. Draven, first of all, why is your arm out? Second of all, whoa! And third of all, yeah, that's second of all, I hit a bump. And third of all, look, I'm ending my little area, and this is all we have left. Yeah. 3, 2,